Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like couple planet wallpaper on Picsart. Select the plus button and you're just going to select a picture, go to tools and go to stretch. Select swirl. There's two options. There's swirl counterclockwise and there's a clockwise one. And you're just going to select it and you're just going to swirl it around. And then you're just going to select apply. Go to tools and go to shape crop and choose the circle one and create like a round shape like so. Press the next button, delete the outline and press save. Then you are going to select sticker and you're going to find crescent moon and you're going to add this on it. You're then going to resize it, something like that. And then press apply. You're going to go to tools and shape crop again using the circle. And make sure you get some of that crescent moon kind of like shade in. Press the next button, delete the outline again, press save, and I'm just going to download that. After that, I am going to select a background. And I'm going to add in the planets. I created two, but you can create like as much as you want. I'm going to put this one here and the other one right about here. Then, oops. I'm going to then just select apply once I'm done. You can also add like a Saturn ring if you wanted to, so just go to sticker and search a planet ring. I'm just going to use this one. Well, you can use any one you like, but I'm just going to use this one. Then I'm just going to kind of resize it so it fits the kind of planet there. Move it up just a little bit, and I'm going to use the eraser tool to just delete this part. Once I'm done, I'm just going to press the checkmark button and I'm going to select apply. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!